The word today is think. All right, let's do it. Think in Thai is kit. All right, it's like a kid, but kit. Okay, now let's think in Thai. Well, let's do it. Let me think about it. ขอคิดก่อน ขอคิดก่อน means let me think about it. You know, I can't give you an answer right now. They're like pressuring you to buy something, right? And they're like, are you gonna buy it or not? You're like, well, you know, ขอคิดก่อน means let me think about it. I'm gonna walk around and I'm gonna quietly go in a taxi and leave because I don't want to buy it. But you can use that as excuse. ขอคิดก่อน and they'll get it. They'll get your clue. You know, ขอคิดก่อน. Next one is คิดถึง คิดถึง means missing you. I miss my dog. คิดถึง ... คิดถึงหมา Okay, I miss my cat. ผม means I for male. ฉัน means I as well for female and male. You both use ฉัน and everyone can use ฉัน ฉันคิดถึงแมว means I miss my cat. Okay, or ผม because I'm a guy, I'm gonna use ผมคิดถึงคุณ means you. I miss you. You haven't been around for my lessons lately. Yeah, I miss you. Where have you been? Where have you been hiding? Now, next one is คิดมาก 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 means thinking too much. You're overthinking things. Things supposed to be easy for you in life. But no, that's too easy, right? You're going to have to make it more difficult. คิดมาก Yeah, you think about things that it doesn't really matter. But you keep like stressing about it. คิดมาก Some people like can't even sleep. Okay, คิดมาก Alright. ผมคิดมาก means I'm thinking too much. Or คุณคิดมาก means you thinking too much. I haven't gone partying. I'm in here the whole time. What are you talking about? คุณคิดมาก Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Oh man. Next one is คิดดู คิดดู means think about it. คิดดู You know, when I make a statement, when I say something, and you say คุณคิดดู means you think about it. Think about what I just said. You know, go back and think about it at home or in a car or swimming and thinking about it. I don't know, whatever you're doing, right? คิดดู Okay, means thinking about it. You think about that for a moment. คิดดู คุณคิดดู Okay, คิดไม่ออก คิดไม่ออก means I have no idea. I couldn't come up with any answer for you. คิดไม่ออก ผมคิดไม่ออก means I couldn't give you an answer. My brain, my head is blank. I have no brain cell. You know, I couldn't give you an answer. ผมคิดไม่ออก They'll be like, what is 1 plus 1? You're like, I don't know. ผมคิดไม่ออก คิดไม่ออก means I don't know. I couldn't give you an answer. 5. คิดไม่ออก Alright? Okay, that's the word for the day. คิด how to use that in a sentence. Well, there you go. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. My name is Bodo. I'll see you next time. Peace.